Silver Peekaboo Edge. This look embodies contemporary flair. The trendsetting creation seamlessly blends sleek silver blonde with a subtle black peekaboo accent, adding a touch of rebellion and intrigue to the classic sexy silver fox. We start by mixing CHI Bleach and Shine with 20-volume CHI color generator, using a 1:1 and 1/2 mixing ratio. Then, add 3 pumps of CHI Royal Treatment Bond Rebuilder. Next, we mist the hair with CHI Bond and Seal. Begin applying the lightening formula to root and all remaining dark hair, performing a complete bleach out. During the last 5 minutes, pull through the ends to ensure there is no demarcation line. Artist tip: lift the hair off the scalp to make sure the hair aerates and does not cause irritation. Then, rinse and shampoo with CHI Royal Treatment Clarifying Shampoo. Follow with CHI Royal Treatment Clarifying Treatment. For the haircut, comb the top to the side to create a hard part. Begin using a 1 1/2 inch guard on the CHI clippers, focusing on the nape and around the ears for a median fade. Clean up around the ears and neckline with CHI trimmers. Blend the fade using a scissor over comb technique. Over-direct the top to blend into the fade. Texturize the sides and top for better blending. Point cut the top for added texture. For our first toner formula, we are starting with a 1/2 ounce of 2N and a 1/2 ounce of 10 volume, formulated with the LG CHI Color Master Factory. For the accent piece, take 1/2 inch section using a diagonal part and apply the toner formula in a foil. For our second toner formula, we're using a 1/2 ounce of ice, a 1/2 ounce of steel trending color, a 1/2 ounce of steel violet, 1 shot of 1N, and 1 ounce of 10 volume. Apply the second toner formula to the remaining hair. Flip the foil and apply product on the backside with the angle of the tint brush to create an even blend. Allow the color to process for 30 minutes at room temperature. Finally, shampoo the hair using CHI Royal Treatment Color Gloss Shampoo. Follow with CHI Royal Treatment Color Gloss Conditioner. The silver blonde base exudes a refined charm, and the black ribbon in the bang area creates an unexpected twist, revealing an edgy side. This bold juxtaposition of color. This is Silver Peekaboo Edge from Rouge de CHI.